Hello everyone. Today, we will take a look at the DIY proof of concept project monitoring and automation system for lathe machines, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Imagine you could make your machines smarter, making them run better and safer without checking them all the time. That's what today's DIY project does. It uses an Arduino to watch over your lathe machines in real time, checking things like temperature, vibration, and how they're running, all to make them more efficient and safe. If something's wrong, it can send you alerts and even take action to prevent damage, which helps reduce downtime and keeps the machine running longer. It also makes things easier for operators by showing the data on an LCD screen. Anyone with basic knowledge of Arduino and electronics can make this DIY project. If you're a beginner or hobbyist, you can follow the circuit diagram and use the provided Arduino code to build it. If you're interested in automation or sensors, you can easily add extra features like relay modules to make the project even more automatic. It's a great project for learning about machine monitoring and automation without spending a lot of money. Let us see the demonstration first. This is our setup. You can see the temperature value on the screen. Likewise, you can see the values coming from all other sensors. For demonstration purposes, we are increasing the temperature with the help of the soldering iron. You can see that the temperature value is also increasing over the screen. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. Arduino Nano is the main controller. It reads data from the sensors and controls the other parts like the LCD display and buzzer. A 10K potentiometer is used to adjust the brightness of the LCD screen so that it's easier to see. A 16:2 LCD display shows the real-time temperature and vibration data, so the operator can easily see how the machine is doing. Vibration sensor detects any shaking or vibrations from the machine. If the vibrations are too high, it sends an alert to prevent damage. The LM35 temperature sensor measures the machine's temperature. If the temperature gets too high, it sends an alert to avoid overheating. The buzzer makes a sound when there's an issue, like high temperature or vibration, to alert the operator quickly. The relay module is optional. It can be used to turn on or off other equipment, like a cooling fan, if needed to protect the machine. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few connecting wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components, including the Arduino Nano board, potentiometer, display, sensors, and buzzer, on the breadboard. Follow the circuit diagram to assemble the circuit. Once the circuit is assembled, we will write code on the Arduino IDE for the Arduino Nano board. This is our code. Include a few header files at the beginning. Now define the Arduino pins to which the external peripherals are connected. In the setup function, define the mode of operation of the external components connected to the Arduino board. In the infinite loop function, read the sensor values and display them on the LCD screen. Now, on running the code on the Arduino board, you can see the temperature values are displayed on the LCD. Voila, it works. So, what did you learn? How to measure and process analog signals from sensors. How to do real-time monitoring. Interested in developing your own monitoring and automation system? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.